Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Halifax Avenue and we're going to take a look at what's going on over here. Now they have quite a few construction sites and a lot of apartment buildings, so we're just going to take a tour to see what's going on. Okay, so this is one site here on the left. This is another one on the right, where you see the zinc fence. And this is another one over here. Wow. Really have to be impressed with all the construction going on in Jamaica. These look like apartments, and then over here you have a very nice complex. It looks finished. And then over here now is another complex, but this one looks like they are just getting on the way. I'm just assuming they're all, well, this is a residential area, so these are all residential apartment buildings that are going up. And actually these buildings are just a few of the, because we actually came here to do a video on a different building that's under construction. But there's a lot of construction going on in the Halifax area. So we'll keep you guys updated on all of them. So we're actually going to go to the building now that we came here to do the video on a high rise. But this is, but we'll keep track of the progress on all these apartments. This is a nice shot of this building. Over here now is the other building, or another building that's under construction. Okay, so this is actually the building that we came here to do the video on. There you can see they have one of those cranes. That means it's going to be tall. But I'm really impressed with all the apartments around here. And this looks like another construction site because they have a crane, they have a tractor over here, and wow, so much going on in Jamaica. It's unbelievable. So that's the apartment building. And then this one here is finished. Alright, so we're going to go to the front of this building now. And guys, look to the left. There is another construction site to the left. Alright, let's do this one first. This is the one that has the crane. We're going to go up and see if they have a picture of the building on the construction. But this building is definitely apartments, residential. It's actually alright, so there's no picture up. This building is apartments, but this one is finished. Alright, so we saw another construction site. This is another. This one looks finished, but I'm not. Oh, no, it's still under construction. And here you can see we're just going to turn around here.